how to show full screen contact photo on iPhone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable full screen color photos and assign a contact photo in just a few easy steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Phone. Next, tap Incoming Calls and choose Full Screen instead of Banner. This allows incoming calls to display across the entire screen. Now, open the Phone app and go to the Contacts tab. Select the contact you want to customize, then tap Edit in the top right corner. Next, tap Add Photo. Tap the Photos icon, then choose whether you want to select an image from your photo library or take a new picture with the camera. Select your preferred photo, adjust it if you need to, and tap Choose in the bottom right corner. After that, customize the contact poster if you'd like. When you're happy with the preview, tap Done to save your changes. That's it. The next time this contact calls you, their photo will appear in full screen, giving your incoming calls a much more personalized look. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS tutorials, and step-by-step guides.